There's my 4 blanks. I've got the first log up. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try to do like an individual serving appetizer type dish or whatever with a center dipping thing. You know, so you can put like chips and maybe ranch in the middle or something, or salsa. Just all right. Let's see what I get it up to. I got it up to 580, 560. I'll increase a little bit as we get it up going. On the 2 wrist, and just raise and nip away. You can feel it shaking a little bit. Hopefully it's not shaking on the video too much. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I can see it's starting to get close. All right, I want to keep going until this part here gets down to the black line. And then I should be pretty well rounded. All right, switch sides here. So keep an eye on it. All right, let's go. All right, folks. What I did here, I marked out 2 1/4, and then I marked out about 1/4 from the back side, just to figure out what size the bowl is going to be. I marked down over here because this is where the tenon. I'm going to start taking the tenon off while it's still on it, so I need an inch or whatever for that. So let's see how all this works out. That'll become a nice little dipping tray, dipping thing. Not too bad. We got about let's see what I got here. There we go. I got about 1/4 inch. Oops. Down to 1/8. So I better not mess with that too much more. We'll leave the sanding that do the rest. Now all I gotta do is bring the rest of the way down. Let's see how far I'm not now. I'm still about halfway. I got some digging to do. All right. All right, I'm gonna go through the grits. Got them all out. Got from 40 to 800. So, torture you with a little bit of it, not much. Nobody likes watching the sanding part. Then after that, I already marked out where I want it to cut off. Hopefully my measurement's right. Somewhere's in that area. And we'll see what happens. So for now, I'm gonna put the mask on because this sanding is gonna be dusty. Get the outside, and then I'll do here. Then I'll hit the inside. Probably spend a little bit of time on the inside just to get it nice and smooth since we will be using them. Then I'll go through to get the middle. Throw the grits on there, and then through the center here, and then the back. And of course, I got my assisted tool here so I can wrap the stuff around it so I don't burn my own fingers out. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead, kick you all off so I can get this done. I'll bring you back in a moment. 800. All right, finishing up the 800. Yep, 800 grit. So she's really sweet. I can't wait to use it. I gotta make another one though. Make a his and hers. All right. Now I can see what figure out what I'm doing here. All right, let's get the, oops. Let's get the depth right. I'm gonna sand all the bottom off. Go through the grits with the with my little trusty little drill bit here. I'll go through the bits on the bottom and cut it all off. But for now, let me go ahead and put the wax on. Wax on, wax off. What'd I do with my beeswax? Oh, here you are. This one here is a little, not that sappy. This was nice. As you can tell, got quite a bit of wood in there. Not so much sapwood, which I like. That's nice. Sapwood is alright to work with. Don't get me wrong. Pain in the butt to deal with. Keep sanding it. But for this here, yeah, it's not bad. I like this log. I'll make some beautiful trays. Here she is. One individual serving dip, you know, put your dips or whatever, with a little area in the middle for some sauce or whatever. You know, nicely put together. That's what a dipping is. All right. Well, until the next episode, see ya.